All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do an export from secret server, our secrets that we need to maybe move from one system to another system. And this could be if you're doing like an on-premise move to cloud, or you're going to system. But let me show you how this works. So we're going to come in here. We're going to go to the administration area of secret server, and I select alphabetical. Then I can come in here and I can click export, import. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click the export button, and then we're going to see our available options here. So we see that we can export to an XML or CSV file. We can go to a specific folder and so forth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to export everything, and we're going to put that into a CSV file. Then we're going to format it and get it ready, and then import it back into another system. So let's do this right here. So we're going to click export, and then what's going to happen there is give us our authenticator, going to give us our OTP or whatever we need to do here. I'm going to use the email option, and we're going to click next. And then what's going to happen there is it's going to then ask me for a code. So we're going to then get our code and then bring that back into our system. We have our code now. So this is a very nice feature. So you just can't just necessarily just export everything without having an extra security layer behind it. So we're going to click next here. And then what's going to happen there, we're going to start the export process and then subsequently download our file after it's finishing with our export process, and it is done. So thank you for watching, and then we will do an import process in another video. Thank you.